So we started putting in the new tails. We're adding to them is what we're doing. Thing alongside of it. So most of these are pretty good. We may have to add more underneath. But then we started adding the boards. So you can see this corner is now rebuilt and ready for the aluminum, which will slide underneath. Now we got a problem over here. I've been using the facer plate as a way to fasten the tails in to tie everything together, but here we have bad facer plates, so I think we're going to have to remove that and replace that first before we start fastening them into it. Or the other option is we could put the tails on and then come back later and do the facer plate, because I may not have the lumber here now. So I have to make that decision, and then we can put the boards on and start aluminum.